Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what's coming up, Leos. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the message from your person or a love message at last, guys. See what is coming up, Leos. Page of Wands. Strength. Page of Pentacles. The Magician. Eight of Pentacles. Leo, with these cards, the energy is that you are striving really hard today. You are making use of all the skills you have, your abilities today, guys. This may concern your work or in your personal life, this relationship with this person, and you feel that power and the strength to do anything today, the confidence to do anything today, and you're feeling motivated, guys, and you feel you can do anything if you set your mind to. So you have that kind of confidence, self confidence in you, and people appreciate you for your skills and how you handle things, guys, and you are very able in whatever field you take up. This may concern your work, so you are what to say, showing your efficiency in whatever you are doing, and maybe this person appreciates that skill, that side of you. They love you for that nature, for handling things in such a organized manner, and uh, they really admire your qualities, guys. They admire your skills and abilities, whatever it is, guys. So how you handle things and how you do your work, or how you handle any situation for that matter. So they are really proud of you. So that is what they feel about you and this connection, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be reflecting within yourself about your future course of action, what you need to do in life, what you need to achieve, maybe your goals or something. So you are working towards that also, and you're feeling really energetic and active because of that, and you are planning your life again ahead. Maybe for some of you all, you may get somebody with a message, some friend or some family member who is coming with a message, some kind of favorable news that may work to your benefit, guys. Something good coming your way, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Leos. And you are in the, what to say, in the phase of action. So even in your relationship, you may be going out with this person, you may be spending time, not some time alone and in leisure. Maybe you will be going out, or you may, both of you may be involved in some kind of activities. So you are enjoying your time together with some activity, not leisure. So that is the energy here, Leos. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys, for Leos. Ring, child, lilies, fox, maybe today, Leos, you are, for some of you all, you may be planning your wedding. That may be the reason that the energy with the previous cards was totally in action. Something you are doing, some kind of work, something you're managing. So that was the energy. So maybe you are planning your wedding, or a wedding, you're working for the wedding, planning things, arranging everything that you need there. Or maybe you have taken up some new job and you are working there, some new venture that may be a creative one. So that may also be the reason here for this work or this activeness. So that was the energy there, guys. And this relationship with this person, you are feeling very, what to say, this great attraction towards this person, guys. You're feeling the charm, great charm towards this person, and you yourself are feeling charmed by this person. Like you have that, what to say, uh, attraction towards this person. And maybe for some of you all, this relationship, it may be a karmic relationship, guys. You would have felt that you knew this person already, even at the first time you met them. You have this great intimacy and passion with this person, and something really good. You wouldn't have felt so deep about any relationship before. So this relationship is meant to be for most of you all. So that is the way you feel with this person, guys. And you share a mutual understanding and love. You have great compatibility in this relationship, guys. And with this card, maybe this activeness or this work, that kind of, what to say, how the way you're employing your skills and you're striving really hard, working hard, that energy may come to an end quickly, guys. Maybe things are falling into place and you need not be always on your toes. Maybe a time of leisure is coming your way. Maybe you will have time to spend with this person. Maybe this marriage is coming quickly and you may find time after wedding, something of that sort, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you are planning to start a family, you are planning to have a kid, get married, something of that sort, guys. Maybe that may be the reason for these activities. But you will feel at rest once you reach your goal, whatever you want to get. So that is the energy here, Leos. Let us see what the fairies are telling us today, guys. I'll be picking one card from this deck. Merry Masquerade. That's the card here, guys. Glamour, intrigue and drama. So with this card, Leos, there may be people who want to be your friend just to make use of your influence, guys, just to make use of your position or your success, something of that sort, guys. So there may be people who may be trying to use you. So the message here, guys, with this card is that you should focus on your own work and create your own style, and you should know who are your true friends and avoid the people who are false towards you. So you need to open your vision and what to say, start creating rather than following somebody. You should be your own guide, and you should create your own style, whatever it is, in whatever field you are in. So that may be the energy here. And maybe somebody, some people may be gossiping about you, but maybe some people may be talking about you because they truly admire you, guys. That may also be the energy here. So you cannot trust everyone. So that is the way energy with this card. So you should identify your true friends, Leos. So let us see what is the message, love message from your person, guys. You never give up on me. So this is the way your person feels about you, or you feel about your person. They feel they can rely on you in whatever situation, and they can trust you implicitly, that you believe in them, guys. So that is the energy here, Leos. That is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.